How to make your Snapchat account public. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to make your Snapchat account public or unhide your Snapchat profile. Now open up your Snapchat app, but before you open your Snapchat app, go to your Play Store, App Store, and make sure you update your Snapchat app. After you finish updating your Snapchat app, now go back to your Snapchat app like this. After you open the Snapchat app, tap on your profile at the top left side. After you open your profile, now here is my profile. I set my profile to private. Now tap on the settings at the top right side. Scroll to down. Under this privacy control, now tap on this first option, contact me. After you open this contact me, now it's set to only friends can be able to contact you. You can set it to friends and contacts, so that your friends and your contacts can be able to contact you. Tap on this back arrow. Now tap on this use my Bitmoji. So now you can set it to my friends. Tap on this back arrow again. Now tap on this view my story. In this section, now you can set it to it's set to only your friends. You can tap on this custom button. If there is any people that you block from seeing your story, you can go and unblock them. So I'll tap on this back arrow. So tap on this back again. Now you can go ahead and tap on this see me in quick add. So in this section, make sure you check on this section. So after you check on this section, now anyone can be able to see your story in quick add on their Snapchat app. So now scroll to down and tap on this see my location. So in this section now, make sure you turn off this ghost mode. After you turn off this ghost mode, as you can see now here it says hide my live location. Tap on this section, turn it off again. So now you set your story only your friends can be able to see. As you can see now, your friends now can be able to see your location. That's it guys on how to unhide or how to make your Snapchat account public. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys. We'll meet in the next video.